Some stars don't fade quietly. They go out in fire. Meet Antares, the red heart of Scorpius, 700 times bigger than our Sun. If Antares replaced the Sun, its edge would swallow Mars. But this giant is dying. Its light is a farewell letter sent 550 years ago. When it finally explodes, the night sky will turn red, brighter than the moon. And for a few weeks, Earth will glow in the color of a dying star. Then, Antares will vanish, but its ashes will seed new worlds.